Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about how to make notes from NCERTs. NCERTs are very important if you are preparing for any government exam because these are basic books, and NCERT notes will help you to revise all the important information quickly because it's not possible to revise multiple times from books. As NCERTs are must, it is also important to know how to read them and how to make notes from NCERTs. I've already made a video on how to read NCERT, so go and watch that video. Link is in the description. So firstly, why NCERTs are so important? As I said earlier, these are basic books. So first, these books will help you to build a strong foundation, and second, NCERTs are written in very simple and easy to understand language. So let's move on to how to make notes. So you need to focus on 6th to 12th NCERTs except science and tech, and for science and tech 6th to 10th is more than enough. So the first step is you can choose any subject first, because in my opinion you should start subject wise rather than grade wise to form connectivity between books. So you can choose any subject first and start from class 6th to 12th for that particular subject, and please don't start making your notes during the first reading. In your first reading, just try to understand it, just read it like a novel. Your first reading should be a quick reading, and now start your second reading. But before second reading, you need to analyze syllabus and previous year questions, because you don't need to remember everything from NCERT. You only need to stick to the syllabus. And now start your second reading with a pencil and highlighter. Underline the important stuff and highlight the keywords and concepts according to the syllabus, and use previous year questions to identify question trends and important areas for UPSC. And now in your third reading, you only need to read the underlined and highlighted stuff, so you can avoid unnecessary reading. Only focus on important points and start making your notes. And in your notes, be very specific. Avoid unnecessary details. Your notes should be syllabus specific. Now we will figure out how to make notes. So let's structure this process of note making into 3 steps. So your first step is you should use A4 size blank sheets and keep them in folders subject wise, because it's easy to handle and you can add a sheet whenever you need to add. Or you can make digital notes also, because it helps in editing and updating your notes with ease. And our second step is write short sentences. Don't use long sentences. You need to be very precise so you can revise your notes easily. Please don't copy paste the exact same sentences used in book. Make notes in your own words. And next point is include diagrams, flowcharts, maps and bullet points to your notes, because these things will help you to be precise. Never make notes in paragraphs. Use bullet points. It will help you to revise well in less time. And use flowcharts and diagrams, because it's easier to remember facts through charts and diagrams. And while making notes, highlight the keywords so you can revise it quickly, and keep revising your notes. So I hope you found this video helpful. Then subscribe my channel to get such more contents, and if you have any question, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.